In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack integration in Linear. Connect Linear to Slack. By the end, you'll have the Linear app installed in Slack so your team can track issues, receive updates, and stay aligned without switching tools. First, open Slack and make sure you're on your workspace home screen, either in the desktop app or in your browser. This is the main view where you can see your channels and direct messages on the left. Being on the home screen helps ensure the navigation we're about to use is visible and consistent. Next, move your mouse over the left sidebar and hover near the settings or gear icon area. Depending on your Slack layout, this may appear as a small gear or an option that expands when you move your cursor over it. When the menu expands, look for the section that houses app-related options. Select Apps and Workflows. This takes you to Slack's hub for installing and managing apps, automations, and integrations. If you don't see this option, you might not have the right permissions in your workspace. In that case, ask a workspace admin to follow these steps or grant you access. Inside Apps and Workflows, choose Browse. This opens Slack's app directory, sometimes called the Marketplace. It's the official catalog where you can discover and safely install apps that work with Slack. In the search bar, type Linear. As you start typing, Slack will surface matching results. You're looking for the official Linear app entry. Clicking into it will show the app's overview page, including what it does, permissions it requests, and screenshots. Take a moment to skim the description so you're confident it's the right integration for your team. Select the Linear app from the results. On the app page, review the details and confirm it's published by the official provider. Checking the publisher and permissions is a good practice to maintain workspace security and compliance. Click Add to Slack. Slack will guide you through any required authorization prompts. You may be asked to confirm the workspace, review requested permissions, and approve the connection. Follow the on-screen steps until you see confirmation that the app has been added. That's it. Once installed, you'll find Linear listed under Apps in your sidebar. From there, you can open it to see available commands and configuration options, and your team can start receiving notifications in the channels you choose. If you run into access issues, double-check your role in Slack, confirm you're in the correct workspace, or ask an admin to approve the install. With the integration in place, your product and engineering workflows become faster and more transparent, right where your team already communicates.